This 2021 Winnebago View 24D is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, stovetop burner, external shower, DVD player, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, awning, spare tire kit, TV, microwave, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2021 Winnebago View 24D is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.